Welcome to Men, Idiots in Cars, where ordinary roads turn unpredictable in a heartbeat. Here, split-second choices carve stories of close calls, sharp lessons, and narrow escapes. Settle and steady your breath, and watch the road reveal what reckless moments try to hide. While avoiding an e-scooter rider crossing recklessly, two cars collided seriously. Anticipate unpredictable moves and keep your speed under control.
第一次开法拉利，真的是贼爽的感觉。
I passed the scene yesterday and saw the damaged trailer being lifted. It's remarkable the occupants survived. Crashes unfold fast, stay alert, and maintain safe space. Dashcam shows a car cutting between vehicles on the Noi Bai Lao Kai Expressway, causing a lane violation collision. Reckless overtakes risk life.
Oh shit! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Two Chevrolet Tahoes collided hard after one ran a red light in Florida, showing how heavy SUVs still face serious risk at intersections. Obey signals and slow before crossing. A risky overtake near Ramenskoye pushed a KIA into oncoming traffic, triggering a multi-car crash with severe consequences. Judge every pass carefully and protect your lane. A semi-truck braked hard to avoid a white SUV merging recklessly, then tipped over and triggered a chain collision. Sudden merges create serious danger signal early and merge with care. A fast-moving Camry suddenly changed lanes on the highway and struck an SUV beside it, a sharp reminder that abrupt moves create danger. An ambulance overturned after being struck by another vehicle at a Whitchurch-Stoffville intersection. Approach crossroads with caution and give emergency vehicles space.
What you doing?
Ohio State Patrol released footage of a major pileup on the turnpike near milepost 106, where winter conditions. Dashcam shows a distracted driver in a Ford Explorer hitting your Ford Focus at high speed. Loss of focus turns small mistakes into danger. In heavy fog on 8WI30, a southbound truck missed the stop sign at V66 and entered the intersection, creating a dangerous situation. Low visibility demands caution.
Wacht even. Wacht even, kijken wat de achtergrond gebeurt. Eerst kijken wat de achtergrond gebeurt. Even kijken wat er gebeurt. Kom.
Every clip you've seen carries a reminder awareness is fragile and the smallest lapse can reshape a life. Let these moments sharpen your instincts and steady your habits on the road ahead. Drive with intention, respect the danger, and stay alert. If this resonated, like, share, and subscribe for more from Emma and Idiots in Cars as new lessons unfold.